Hi, sir. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Online friends, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me open the chat box. Okay. So, what was the last class topic we have seen?
The
Yes.
arrays.
You student. You student. The first day. Online. Your name? Anish. Last class topic. Thank you. Arrays. Let me print campus. फिर programs नहीं दिया. So programming class में क्या सीखा और इसमें सीखा क्या सीखा? कौन से? Arrays में नहीं पता है. ठीक है. So let's write one program on array. See, in the previous class we have seen how to declare one-dimensional array, how to collect the values and store in one-dimensional array and print that. Now, when you go to the programming concepts, let's see some programs. Let me take. I want to print the let me tell sum of all the elements in the program. करवाया था? मैं नहीं बनाऊँ. जरूरत नहीं है. Already completed that one. That program. Sum of all the elements in a given array. Find the sum of even elements in a given array. So that okay. See, because I'll not go into depth of the programming, for concept-wise understanding what is required, everything at least. Okay, but okay, let's see the first program. Write on the heading as write a program to find the sum of array elements. Write a program to find the sum of array elements. Write a program to find the sum of array. Means what is that I'm trying to say? Let me take an array, one-dimensional array, okay, and I will store the value as 10, 20, 30, and 40. Okay, I want to find the sum of these arrays. Okay, let me write a program first to declare an array, collect the values, store the values, then we'll find the logic of the finding the sum of an array. So I tell here as class visible, right? I tell class name, okay, inside this one I'll tell public static void name, and inside this one I'll declare one-dimensional array. How to declare? New in, and I'll tell size 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me take it as 5 only. Okay, so I'll tell name as ARR, which is of type integer array. This is how we declare one-dimensional array. Okay, now what I do, I'll ask the user to enter the numbers. I'll make use of a for loop. I'll tell for int I is equal to 0, I less than ARR dot len. I'll tell I plus plus, and inside this one I'll tell ARR of I is equals to scan dot next int. Input the scanner, create object of a scanner. You create. Okay. So till here what will happen? I'll collect the values and store the values in an array. Clear? Is it clear? You want me to do the tracing of the program till here? Tracing करना है इसका? Okay. So what I'll do is here, guys, when we come to the tracing, initially control will come here. An array of size 5 will be created. So let me create array of size 5. Name I'll give it as ARR 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this. 5 size array create हो गया. So initially what will happen? As soon as you create an array, a default values will be allocated for this one. Agree with my point? Default values. And let me come back. Here I'm telling initially I is equal to 0 and 0 less than AR dot length. What is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So length is what? AR dot 5 length means it is 5. Am I clear? So what is the I value now? 0. Now tell me, is 0 less than 5? True or false? True or? Then what will happen? Control will come inside. Mahesh, understanding? Okay. When control comes here, I'm telling scan dot next. In next in means what will do? It will collect some value. I'll tell user will enter 10. I'm telling store this inside this ARR dot I. I value is what? 0. So in ARR of 0, I want to store 10 now. ARR of 0, I'll store the value as 10. Yeah. Your name? Pradeep. Okay. Pradeep. See here, next point. Next what will happen? Control will go here, I value will be implemented, and I value will become what? 1 now. Now tell me, if 1 less than 5, true, it will come here. I'm telling user will enter 20. ARR of 1, ARR of 1 what will do? 20. ARR of 1, 20. Like this, again and again loop will be repeated, and 30, 40, and 50 will be stored. But clear? Clear is clear. Now what is that I want to do? I want to calculate the sum. To calculate the sum, what I'll do? I'll declare a variable. Initially, I'll keep the sum value is equal to 0. Okay. So I'll tell you that initially in sum is equal to 0. Okay. Is there any problem with this one? No. I want to traverse here. I'll add 0 plus 10. What is the total? 10. Then I'll take the 10, I'll add to the next element 20. Sum is 30. The 30 I'll take, I'll add to the next element. Again, the total I'll take, I'll add to the next element. This if I do, I'll able to find all the elements, sum of all the elements are. This is how we calculate, right? So what I do, to traverse each and every element, I need a looping state. So what I do, I'll tell you as for in I is equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length until I plus plus. And so what will do? This will help me traverse each and every element from 0 up to the length. That is less than length means up to 4. Yeah. So I know what is the sum value. I'll tell you as whatever the total is there, I'll tell sum plus ARR of I. So that if I value is equal to 0, it will give the value of this one. If I value is equal to 3, it will give the value of this one. I value 4, this will. Like this, what will happen? Each and every time it is looping, I value will be implemented. That value I'll be taking, I'll store it inside a sum. That total value, I'll store it inside a variable called. That's it. Our program is ready. Now what I'll do, I'll tell system.out.println sum is. The sum is until sum. Okay, I'll close the main method, close the class. Shall we do the tracing of this one? You understood or you want me to do the test? Understood that? Please let me know if you have any doubts.
Sir, board is not visible at right side.
One second. Okay. Now? Now it's right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, create object of scanner. Please ask any doubts if you have. Understanding? Why line puts upon the program? you understand, try to write without seeing. If you get stuck, you see, no problem. Okay, but try to write as much as possible without seeing. You want me to execute or can you proceed to the next one? Proceed, huh? Okay, write on the next program. Write a program. Write a program to print the array elements. Write a program to print the array elements present at the even index. Present at the even index. Write a program to print the array elements present at the even index. Okay. First of all, let's understand the concept of even. Everyone knows, right? What does even means? Any number divisible by 2, which is going to give the remainder as 0. Okay. So tell me, is 0 even number? Is 1 even number? Is 2 even number? 3, 4? Yes. So including 0, 2 and 4 are the even index. So what is that I am asking you? Not to print the even index. I want you to print the number present at the even index. So if you come and check 0 is a even, then go and print the element. 1 is a even, no, ignore it. 2 even, then go and print the 30. That is what I want. So understand the question. Understanding the question is a half problem solved. Particularity. So what is the I am telling that your question you understood, right? So this will remain same. That is, scanner object is definitely required to collect the values. Array need to be created. We need to store the values. Only thing is we need to change here. Now tell me, is sum required here? No. Why here? क्या? ऐड करना है तो sum क्या करेगा इसको? नहीं चाहिए ना? So I will remove the sum value. Now I need not to print this one also. I'll remove it. Now again sum is not there. I'll remove this. So what will do? This will help me to traverse all the elements. Now what is that I need to find here? I need to go and check this 10 is even or odd. Do I need to check that? No, right? I need to check the index. Index value, where am I finding here? कैसे मिल रहा है कि ये even ये index value हमें कहाँ से पता चले? Where am I finding? Array से. I represents the index value. If I is equal to 0 means I am representing 0 index. If I is equals to 2 means I am representing this index. Okay, then I need to check whether I is even or odd. Correct, right? Everyone understand this point? So I tell you that we know the condition to check even or odd. Which is the condition? Very good. Until if I mod 2 equal to 0, then it will check if I value is even or not. If it is even, then it will go inside the if condition. If it is going inside if condition, then respective index value I need to print out. So value I will be able to see. How can I find this 10 here? Here are I stands for any number. So if I want 10 means, then what is the I value? So AR of 0 means 10. AR of 2 means 30. So ARR graph means some I value should be representing until system.out.println ARR of 2. That's it. Program is done. Then we do the tracing of this one. So I tell initially I was equal to 0. So 0 less than 5. True or false? true. It will come inside. So I tell I percentage 2. So 0 mod 2 equal to 0. True or false? True. Then it will come inside and then system dot out dot will tell and here I value is 0. Here 0 is what? 10. So output will be 10. After that, what will happen? A looping statement. Wait one second. I didn't close looping statement. So what will happen? I value will be incremented. I value will become now 1. Now tell me, 1 percentage to equal to 0 or no? Then I if condition will not execute. I value will increment again and this 2 now. 2 less than 5, 2 it will come here. 2 percentage 2 is equal to 0. Yes, it will come here. And now tell me if 2% 2 it will come inside. Tell here of I value is 2. So ARR of 2 is what? Now 30. Similarly, it will print for 4. Here, here, writing program is not at all important. Anyone can write the program. Understand the logic. What is the logic here? I need to first find how to find the index value. We know that index value is coming from a looping statement. So I took that now. And this index looping statement, I took that. And we know the logic of finding what? Even or not. So I tell I value is even or not, I'm checking. If we say how to get the array element, ARR of index value. So I'm telling ARR of index value. Understood? One by one you understand. Logic writing is not at all important. Concept that building, how do we solve the problem? That is what it is. अगर वो समझ ले तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम देने दो हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके fast. Don't write the entire program again. Just write the logic, write the question, write the logic. Okay. Save time. Let me know if you guys want me to execute. Then, okay. Now write on the next program. Write a program to print. Write a program to print even elements. Write a program to print the even elements in a even array. In a even array. Read the question, tell me what should be the output for this input. Print the even elements in a given array. What should be the output of this one?
2, 4.
2 and 4. Okay. Question you understood? Means this time I am not at all checking any index value. Just go to the array element, check if it is even or not. If it is even, you print it. Understood? Right? You understood? Okay. So this will remain same. Okay. So here, what is the changes I need to do? Tell me. What is the condition I need to make a change? Pradeep, can you tell me? Huh?
Instead of I.
Array. How do I write that? Very good. Everything remains same. So what is that? I'll tell here. Only the changes I need to make here is instead of I value. I don't want to check I value. I want to check array value. I'll tell ARR of I. Percentage ARR of I percentage 2 equal to 0. That's it. Okay. Write it. Write the logic fast. Okay, समझ आया? Okay, one question is here by Sarfaraz. 1 second. Sir, what is a even array? Even array? Did I told even array? Sarfaraz, can you repeat your question? Sorry, yeah? Okay, fine. Done? Write down the next question. Write a program to print the index of an array. Index of an array if a element is even. If the array element is even. The array element is even. Try to understand the question. Completed? What is the logic? Huh? Acha, explain me the question. Okay. So,
Sir,
what
logic will be same.
array or index? Array element means it should be R of I or I. So here you tell me this first. Value check करना तो ये same ही रहेगा मैं change कर रहा है same ही रहेगा नहीं I'm asking I don't know same ही रहेगा change करना printing में I will ठीक है जो भी था आया ना अरे भाई आपने बोला ना हो गया आपका हाँ तो बोला आया ना जो बोले सही है अच्छा उसको मानना पड़ेगा क्या अभी
किसको पूछ रहे सर
आपको ही सबको पूछ रहा हूँ मैं सबको सब जवाब is this what we have to do it online students can you acknowledge me is this program correct huh? Online
Yes, sir.
okay fine yes so what we are doing we are going into an array we are checking array element if it is even or not okay if it is even then I'm going inside I'm printing index means now you've got the clarity how to then do permutation combination yes now let's perform I'll give you a hacker rank program can you do it okay wait let me give me 1 second I'll put it in the group okay I guess I uploaded in some group on arrays only it is easy you just need to think about it कौन सा group है the first one okay yeah I got it FS 23 है ना आपका okay see guys I have added in the group look at the question check solution is not important for me I want you to understand the program that's it That's right. With that. Online students, you understood the program? Question if you have understood, acknowledge me once. What is the instruction?
There's a chart, the page, chart and the columns activity, four rows. Four rows. Success of step. Two candles. Now, I think so also the remaining candles only.
Okay. Fine, yes, let me explain it. Here, the problem in solving this such kind of a question is that you need to overcome your fear. As soon as you see this one, you get scared. Will not at all even feel like reading the question and not even solve. This is the common problem every student will. Now I'll tell you maximum how many times you read the question. One time or half of the time. If you read the same question 2 to 3 times, you will get some clarity at first time. Okay. Again, you read at that time, even more you will get understanding. At that time, you go to the sample input and output, you will be able to understand it. Once you understand the question, the solving is dead easy. But the major fear you should overcome here is that you should understand the question. That is the biggest. So let me read it now. Then you just tell me. See here, they are telling birthday cake candles. The problem name is you are in charge of a cake for your niece's birthday. Okay, you have some niece, for that you are in charge for the cake. Now you have decided the cake will have one candle for each year of our total. Now, for how many years she is, those many candles should be. If she is 3 years old, we'll bring 3 candles. 4 years old means 4 candles. Understood? Next one. When she blows out the candle, she'll be able to blow out the tallest one. Means you will not bring the candle of same size. Every candle will be different size. Okay. When she blows the candle, the tallest candle will be blown out. Clear? Question you understood? Some story they have given. Now, for an example, if your niece is turning 4 years old, the cake will have 4 candles of the height. Means you will bring what? How many? 4 candles. Is the marker? Keep somewhere out. मुझे marker चुरा लिया? Okay, look at here. Here, 4 years means 4 candles he is bringing. So every candle has a different size. One is 3 centimeter. Let me take it as centimeter. 3, 2, 1, and 3. For an example, this is 3 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Again 3 centimeter. Okay. Can you see the height of the candles here? Yes. Okay. Now, when she is just 4 years old, then when she blows the candle, the tallest candle will be blown. Okay. How many? Which is the tallest number here? 3. How many candles are there?
2.
Candles. Which is the tallest candle? How many candles are there? 3 is the highest number. How many highest numbers are there? 2, right? So this candle and this candle will be blown off. Okay. And these two will remain burning. Clear? Okay. Then what is the next thing they are doing? Height 3, she will be able to blow 2 candles successfully. Since the tallest candle height is 3, there are 2 such candles. Okay, there are 2 such candles, which is the maximum height. So these 2 candles will be blown off. Next, complete the function given the height of the individual point out the print number of candles will be able to. Okay, let's come back to the here. The example they are given as what is that? 4, 3. Okay, same example. 4, 3. 1, 3, and she'll be able to how many candles blown off? 2. So output should be 2. Now you understood? Now, if we understand this program, what is that we have to do first step? We have to create an array. Okay, how much array size should be? Array size should be 4 up by 4 size. That depends on the age of the candle. Okay, so we collect the age and we create the pass that variable here. That much size array will be created. And what will happen next? We collect the height of the candles. How many heights? What is the height? Next, what I need to do? Next, what I need to do?
I will
Yes.
check the highest length of
Highest, what is largest or highest, the element in a given array. After that, what I need to do? Count of tallest number in a given array. After that, I just need to print. Step by step problem has been broken up. So let what we'll do, I'll collect the, what is that size of an array? Okay, that is our age. I'll pass the variable here as an age. Okay, I'll ask the user, otherwise I'll write it here as scan dot next string. I'll collect the age here direct. Yes, it is possible. Okay, I'll write system dot out dot println, enter age. That's it. Okay, what will do, he'll enter 4 means 4 will come and store here, and that much size array will be. And what I'll do, I'll collect the, what is that, height of the candles. Okay, I'll write here as one message as system dot out dot println, enter candles height. Okay, candles height. Candles will be entered. Next, what I need to do, I need to find the largest candle, that is whose height is maximum. Means I need to find the largest element in a given array. Okay, how do we find it? I need to take first element.
14.
That it is largest. Again, I'll check which is largest. Like this, I'll find out which is the largest that I need to print. Okay. Now in this program, there is one problem that candidates face. I have seen this program when I given students will fail. I'll write that wrong answer first, then I'll give the right answer. Okay. I'll tell you as I'll tell initially max is equal to 0. Initially max is equal to 0. Then what I'll do, I'll tell for int I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length. I'll tell I plus plus. Visible, right? The screen is visible. Yeah. दिख रहा है ना? Okay, so next what I'll do here, this loop will help me to traverse all the places. Let me take same input which user has they have given, that is 3, 1, 2, and 3, and let me this be my array. I'll tell arr 0, 1, 2, and 3. Clear? Now what I'll do, I need to find the largest element. First I'll tell max is equal to 0. I'll tell if arr of I is greater than maximum. Okay, then I'll tell max is equals to arr of I. Okay, this much. So from this I'll able to find the maximum element. How? Okay, let's do that. Initially max is equal to 0. So largest candle height is 0 I have taken. So what I'll do, I'll tell I is equal to 0. 0 less than what is the length? 5. So 0 less than 5. True. It will come inside. So AR of 0. AR of 0 means what? 3. Now tell me, is 3 greater than 0? And so what I'll do, I'll change max. Initially, what is the max value? Max is equal to 0. I'll tell max is equals to 0 initially. Since this condition is true, it will come here. I'm putting max is equals to AR of I. What is assignment operator will do? It will put RHS value to LHS. AR of I means what now? AR of I is 3. So I put 3 into max. So max value will become what? Now 3. Max value is 3. Again, what will happen? Loop will be incremented. I value will become 1. Now tell me, AR of 1. What is AR of 1? 1. So is 1 greater than max? Max value is what? 3. Now 1 greater than 3 then if condition will not execute, I value will increment, I value will become what? This is 4, right? So 2 is less than 4, true or false? True, it will come here. The ARR of 2 is what? 2. Now tell me, is 2 greater than 3? Go. Again, it will not go. I value will increment. Again, what will happen? It will come here. I value will become 3. Is 3? AR of 3 is what? 3. But tell me, is 3 greater than 3? No, right?
No.
And it will come inside. No. So maximum value is what? 3. You found it. Okay. With this technique, what is happening here? We are able to find the maximum value. But here one problem is there. This is good and suitable for these kind of elements. Now, if in case I give the value as -1, -3 like this, then output will not be. So, if I give this as the input, which is the maximum element, which is the largest element?
3.
3, yeah.
Minus
Minus
3.
The
So
largest-
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Sorry, what? Something you told online?
Minus
Minus
1.
1.
-1 is the
-1,
Largest.
right? Okay, fine. Now, if you give this input, output will not come as -1, it will come as 0. Why? Because it is not at all checking with the negative values. It is checking only above greater than 0. If you include negative values, then it will not come. So, to find the largest element in a given array, you should never use such kind of a technique. What you should do, you need to compare. See here, let whatever the values, you need to find the maximum element in a given array. In a given array only, right? You need to find anything else, no, right? So, what is the changes you have to do? Instead of 0, you should make it as ARR of 0. Means you take any one element in this one, then you compare with all the values. Then let it be positive value or negative value, any other value will get down. Okay, so correct way of writing is AR of 0. So then what will happen? -3 it will check, -3 to -1, which is greater, -1 it will take it, then -1 to -2 greater or no, -3 no, ignore. So maximum element is -1 you get. Got the clarity? So always try to find the maximum element in a given array. Don't go beyond that by declaring it as 0. Okay, so in this problem, what we did, we found the maximum element. Now, what is our next task? Count the number of maximum element present in a given array. Okay, so I'll erase this one. I'll close the for loop here. Then what I'll do, I'll open one more for loop. I'll tell for int I is equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length. I'll tell I plus plus, and inside this one I'll tell if ARR of I is equal to max. Okay, ARR of I is equal to max. I'll declare initially int count is equal to 0. Okay, I'll tell here as if it is matching, I'll tell here as plus of count. Okay, then after this one, I'll tell system.out.println, print the count value, close the main method, close the class. Done. Okay, what we did, we collected the age, created that much size array, we collected the height of the candle, we found the maximum element in a given array, we counted number of maximum element, and that's it. Clear? Online students understood?
Yes, sir.
So what if the age is in odd number?
Output will be coming as 1. 2 it will come. I'll take the same example. Okay. I'll tell 3, 1, 2, and 3. This is the question, right? So maximum element you found here as 3. Okay. Now I'll tell I is equal to 0, I less than AR dot length. So 0 less than what? 4. It will come here. So AR of I value is what now? 3. Now tell me, is 3 equal to 3? True. It will come here, increment a count value. So initially count value is what? 0. It has been incremented to 1. Clear? Then what will happen? I value increment, I value will become 1. Now tell me here of 1, what is that? 1 is 1 equal to 3. So ignore. Again, increment AR of 2. Now what is there in AR of 2? Now tell me 2 is equal to 3. No, ignore. Again, I value will increment. I value will become what? 3. Now tell me 3 equal to 3. Then again, increment I value will become 2. Come out and okay? Copy. Any other questions here? Please to ask. I'll give you one more program. Okay, I'll give you not an array program, normal easy program I'll give just to try to do and come. Okay, I'll give you two programs. Go home, execute this program. Any doubts you find, let me know. Done? You see the program?
Sir, why are we using pre-increment? Is there any problem? No problem, sir. For us, you can use pre-increment or post-increment, output will remain same. Okay?
Okay. Done. Check the programs which are sent in the group now. Group check करो. Where is it? So,
It is a big game.
what do you do? This is where the camera. Read the question carefully. What is the time now? One more batch now. Guys, fine guys. So what we'll do, you just go home and see and come. Okay, I have one more class. I'll finish them quickly today. So from tomorrow we can extend that. Okay. Thank you guys. That's it from my side for today. See you guys tomorrow. I'll try to finish that batch today.